Imagine embarking on a journey through the heart of the Himalayas with the launch of the Vande Bharat Express from Delhi to Srinagar. Connecting the pristine Kashmir Valley to the rest of India. That dream is now becoming a reality. After years of dedication and engineering marvels, the ambitious Jammu-Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail project is nearing completion. The railway line will seamlessly link Kashmir to India's vast railway network. At the heart of this project is the iconic Chenab Bridge, a true testament to human ingenuity. Towering 359 meters above the river, it is a symbol of resilience and progress. For the people of Kashmir, this rail link promises more than just convenience. It's a lifeline for economic growth, enabling farmers, artisans and traders to access larger markets across India. Once operational, this railway will also transform tourism, making the valley more accessible and boosting the region's economy. Imagine exploring Kashmir's beauty through the comfort of a train ride. The rail connectivity project isn't just about tracks and trains. It's about bridging gaps, fostering unity and bringing prosperity to the valley. Follow us for more stories of progress and hope.